Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile.
Hi, this is Sandra Chapman, and I want to talk to you about AtlantaRoofing.com, as you can see from the sign. They did some work for me. They did a new roof for me and helped me with getting the funds from my insurance company on damage that was done. And they also did some other work for me, which was my front porch. They put railing up on it, and I have some new steps going down. They fixed the brick that was there, and they added railings, which is a big help for me. They also did a retaining wall at the side of my house, which was made from railroad ties, which was rotten. And they took care of that, did a wonderful job. And they also did some stairs in the back of the house for me, which also makes it easy for me now to get around in my own yard. So they're great.
So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.